2 weeks into February, I saw you in that red Canary, and you was sitting there with a couple of friends, talking about your ex and how you're happy you're single again. So I wanna know if I can get your name. It's good call, you the finest thing I've ever seen. And I'm hoping you have the time to show me around this time. I'm the new kid around, and I hope that you call my phone, 'cause I know you know, I know that you're the one I want. Now, since I left this town, you left too, and then turned back around. Now you stay so high, but that ain't where your eyes closed. 'Cause we both know, same old thing, just a different time. Same old town, and now we got different lives. See, it ain't the same since I left home now. Either way, the next time I come back around, I hope that you call my phone. 'Cause I don't know if one day you'll be gone with another man and a couple of kids with a white picket fence out there, just living to live at. I just hope you know you're still the one I want. 3 years now, look where we are. We're walking down the aisle in that white dress, good girl. Look so nice, family and friends all around. Good for you, baby, guess it's good for now. I just hope you don't forget that first day we met, when you were in that red Canary. For all the pain and all the stress I caused. Oh, I hope he makes you happy now, but when he lets you down,